Pfizer is announcing that children from 5 to 11 years old showed a strong immune response after receiving a booster shot in a clinical trial. The company plans to submit the data to the FDA and ask for authorization in the next few days. Meanwhile, the CDC announced it's extending the mask mandate on public transportation, including on airplanes, as daily travel breaks pandemic records. ABC News contributor Dr. Bhatt joins me now for more on this. Dr. Bhatt, thanks for being here. What do you make of this announcement from Pfizer about its clinical trial for kids 5 to 11?
Diane, thanks so much for having me today. I think that this is good news. In a trial of 140 kids, there was a 6-fold increase in antibodies against the original coronavirus strain 1 month after the booster shot. But what's more important is that a third dose administered 6 months after the second shot also increased Omicron neutralizing antibodies by 36 times in a smaller subset. So I think this is just encouraging news that we need to continue to build on, as I know, we want to keep those kids 5 to 11 safe and ensure that we curb any spread of infection.
Now, we've been seeing an uptick in COVID cases across the country, not necessarily a rise in hospitalizations or deaths, but the CDC is now saying that they're going to extend the 2-week mask mandate on public transportation. What kind of a difference do you think that would make?
We know that COVID at this point, with rising cases, we want to curb infection so we don't see the lag in hospitalizations and deaths. And we know that masks provide a significant protective capability as a public health mitigation measure. And so this is going to be important to continue doing over the short term here while cases are going up. And I think individuals will be protected and ensure safety when we use public health mitigations like masks. But I would, on top of that, encourage getting boosters. 30% of the country has gotten boosters. We need to increase that rate. And those that haven't gotten the original vaccination should get that as well. So we have layered protection going in to any transportation situation.
And Pfizer says that it could finish working on an updated version of its COVID-19 vaccine that can better protect against Omicron by the fall. According to the CDC right now, 65.8% of the U.S. population is fully vaccinated. So how much do you think a new version of the vaccine could help?
I think that there was a recent study that looked at 182,000 people 60 and over that came out in the New England Journal of Medicine yesterday that received the 4th dose and showed that the 4th vaccine dose significantly protects against coronavirus disease complications, including a 4-fold reduction in mortality compared to those who received the 3rd dose 4 months ago. I think that I would recommend individuals who haven't gotten vaccinated to get vaccinated. If you haven't gotten boosted, to get boosted. And then the additional vaccine will just provide more protection against severe disease. But it's important to get the basics done first.
All right, Dr. Bhatt, always great to have you. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.